Hello friends, Ben here from Giant Loop. Today I'm here with Dan and Ryan, and we're going to show you exactly how light, how fast, and how far you can go with a full bag setup from Giant Loop on your dual sport, enduro, or dirt bike. We are here at Cline Buttes OHV area near Redmond, Oregon. This is Ryan's Beta 300RX, fully equipped with our Day Tripper kit. So that is the Fender bag, the ZigZag Handlebar Bag, and the Mojavi Saddlebags.
So as you can see, I have the handlebar bag here, strapped to the bars, Fender bag, Mojavi Saddlebag, extremely universal. All of these products, I've used the same ones on our 501, 300, 350s, 250s, 450s, 690s, 701s. It stays tight, carries all your gear. You're gonna see in the video what you can do with the gear on the bike with the right kind of test dummy.
Which is Ryan for today.
That's me. Yeah, my bike has a lot of hours. It's pretty beat up. I've fallen over a lot on it, and every time our gear's on it and it stays put. And I may not stay on the bike, but it stays on the bike.
So we're here at Cline Buttes OHV, which is a bunch of really great desert, dusty, single track, technical, rocky riding. So we're gonna put this setup in this bike and Ryan through its paces today and just give you a look at just how hard you can ride with the full bag setup on your bike. I think you're gonna be surprised. Well, actually, I don't think you're gonna be surprised because it's specifically designed to stay out of your way and enable you to do what you need to do to get where you're trying to get. It's gonna be a fun day of riding today. I'm gonna try to keep up with Ryan and get some good footage for you guys so you can see exactly how this setup works. But thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoy it. I just want to make sure you understand how tall this is. Ben, for scale, I'm 5'10", is easily 6 foot to right there. And then that's pointing at the top. So here is the Beta after a morning of very hard riding. We've been out here for about 3 hours. We've not adjusted the bags at all. You can see they've stayed put. Pronghorn strap has held it securely. They're a little dustier, a little worse for wear, but the whole setup is looking good. I mean, it's exactly what you'd expect from bags that are as durable and sturdy as the Giant Loop setup is. But Ryan, so you've been riding, you and Dan both have been riding the Beta on and off. What's it like to ride with this bag setup? Does it get in your way?
You never feel like it's in the way. I'm always riding on the handlebar bag for longer rides where I carry enough tools to fix a flat, spare fuel, spare water. That's when you use the Mojavi. You can do foot plant, pivots, up rocks, turn the bike, move it, move your body on the bike as far forward and back as you want without anything getting in the way. So you can concentrate on riding and focusing on making it through the section and not crashing You don't have to worry about the bags getting in the way, and they've stayed put, obviously. It's like they're not even there.
I think the fender bag is the most impressive, this thing. With the elastic straps, it doesn't go anywhere. They call the ZigZag bag the glove box for your motorcycle. So it's just big enough for a phone and stuff.
Phone, multi-tool. It's a bicycle one, but really a lot of the moto stuff uses that. Snack bar, spark plug. It's a carbureted bike, air screw.
That's what you can do with the Day Tripper kit on your bike. If you buy all 3 pieces at once on the kit page on giantloopmoto.com, you save 10% on the whole thing, so that's pretty cool. I'll put links to the product pages for each of these products in the description below so you can learn more about the individual pieces. I'll also put a link to the kit page. Don't forget that all orders from giantloopmoto.com over $50 ship for free, and all of Giant Loop's products are backed by our limited lifetime warranty, so you can buy with confidence knowing that your product's either going to last or we're going to replace it. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more how-tos, product overviews, and great content like this. And don't forget that YouTube subscribers save 10% on giantloopmoto.com with promo code SUBSCRIBER. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go light, go fast, go far with Giant Loop.